don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way.
Nemo!
Oh, let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Wait, Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Oh, I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
That's jellyfish. Stop playing games.
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish.
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of cool.
That's jellyfish.
Swim over and say good day to your old pal Bruce. One more salt, mate. Fish are friends, not food. Delicious.
Kids offspring, awesome! Just a minute more, let's
What's waiting out there?
Something big and scary.
Big old blue.
Gonna go explore in the big blue world. I've never seen before.
Totally, kids. Too many.
Hi, I'm Dory.
Hey, where are you going? Starfish can turn our stomachs inside out. I can use your friends.
I think Bruce got it.
Is they sleeping?
Let's keep looking at the golf.
There he goes. That was dead, right? Aww. Hi. How fat they are. What you got there?
Oh, I love your ears, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So do you recognize what animal this is?
It's a horseshoe crab.
Yeah, exactly.
Is it alive?
No, it's just a molt.
Oh, okay. I was like, darn it.
No, you're good. We want to put them in there.
Right. I was like, wow.
So you can actually see where he kind of broke through on the molt.
Oh, yeah. So that's just his shell. So he molted. Okay, perfect.
Yep, kind of like other crabs and spiders too.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, apparently recently found they did a genetic study of these guys, and apparently they're closer related to arachnids than they are true crabs.
Really?
Yeah.
See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So close
That's
enough.
pretty cool.
No, they're really awesome.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
All right.
for stopping by.
Thanks. watching today's video. This is Jen with DockFam Travel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and for more fun travel content, please make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you don't miss new uploads.